In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple technique which you can use to instantly start getting better answers from AI. This technique I'm about to show you can instantly change the way you prompt AI, where you get accurate answers from AI and better your results. So stick around to the end, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't yet. And without delay, let's get straight into it. Now, the name of this technique is simply RTCOF, and I'm going to be breaking down what this means step by step. So let's get into the first one. Now, R, this simply stands for the role. Now, what is the role? It's simply where you tell AI what you want it to act as. Now, you need to understand something. AI can give you answers in several different forms, but it depends on the role you give it, what you tell it to act as, that it gives you a specific type of answer. If you don't give a role, AI guesses, and guessing is where bad answers come from. For example, if you ask AI to act as an AI engineer, it's going to make your answers more technical than asking it to act as a beginner-friendly teacher. So the role is very important, and you should always use a role while prompting AI. Next up is T, which stands for the task. Now, what is the task? It's simply what you want AI to do for you. Now, most people keep this too vague. For example, they can say, explain AI, or what business should I start? That's not clear enough. A good task answers three things: what, how deep, and for whom. Instead of saying something like explain machine learning, say explain machine learning in simple terms. For a beginner, specific task is equal to a controlled answer, which makes your prompts 10 times better. Next up is C, which stands for the context. And honestly, this is the most important step. The context tells AI who you are, what you already know, and why you need answers. Without context, AI makes assumptions, and assumptions kill accuracy. For example, if you say explain Python loops, AI doesn't know if you're a beginner or if you really have experience in programming and coding. But if you say I'm a beginner starting out for the first time, it slows down, uses simpler language, and explains basics. So if you want accurate answers, never skip the context. Now, next up is O, which stands for the output. Now, this is where you define quality and tell AI what type of answers you want. For example, you could say use real life examples, give common mistakes, or use simple language. I like to think of the output like the boundaries which help AI to stay focused. And the more you use this, the more AI is able to give you a more accurate answer. And lastly, we have F, which stands for the format. Now, this is basically how your answer looks. You can ask AI to give you bullet points, tables, diagram, and so much more. It's all up to you. Now, guys, you should also know that there is no perfect prompt. You should always feel free to iterate, always feel free to experiment. You can ask AI for more accuracy, to give you more examples, and basically until it matches what you actually want, guys. So always feel free to experiment if it doesn't match what you want, because accuracy improves in AI with guidance. Now, guys, I hope this helped. These are the 5 steps that you should take to get a wonderful prompt, guys. You have the role, the text, context, output, and finally the format. So you guys should use this out, and you guys should instantly see that your prompts start getting better. If this helps, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'm wishing you guys all the best. Stay safe and have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next one.